Our focus question, Haley counted the number of pets all of her friends have. Using the graph, determine the mode of this given data. So, this box right here, I would love if you guys can write the numbers in order from least to greatest. So if we write them in order from least to greatest, first of all, if the graph, we're going to figure out what these numbers even are. So like, how do we even read this graph? We don't know, but we're going to make a know. We're going to know how to do it, and we're going to learn it. So this number right here means a 0. This one dot means 0. There's one dot at 0, so there's 1 0. How many dots are at 1? There's 2 dots at 1, so that means there's 2 1s. So 1, 1. Next one, there's 2 dots at 2, so that means there are 2 2s. 2, 2. There's 1 dot at that 3, so that means there's 1 3. And 1 dot at 5 means there's a 5. So if we put them in order from least to greatest, get some cleared out room here. All right, there we go. Let's put them in order from least to greatest. We have a 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 5. Now, the mode is the number that we see the most of. The mode is going to be the number we see the most of. In this case, we see a 0 only one time, a 3 only one time, and a 5 only one time. But we see a 1 twice and a 2 twice. So in this case, we see that the mode is going to be 1 and a 2. 1 and 2, because we see both of them 2 times. We see both of them twice. So our mode is going to be 1 and 2. And that's it for our focus question. Great job.